number 5. How did the king and the hermit help the wounded man? The king washed the wound. This is the answer, children. The king washed the wound and covered it with his handkerchief. He kept on dressing it till the bleeding stopped completely. Then he gave the wounded man some water to drink. The hermit brought him inside his hut and allowed the man to spend the night in his hut. Question number 6. Now, question number 6, children, has 2 parts. I am reading the first part. Who was the bearded man? Answer. The bearded man was an enemy of the king. He wanted to take revenge of his brother's death by killing the king and taking away all his property. Next question. Why did he ask for the king's forgiveness? He asked for the king's forgiveness because he wanted to kill the king, but the king had saved his life. He was very thankful to him. Question number 7. The king forgave the bearded man. What did he do to show his forgiveness? Answer. The king showed his forgiveness by promising the man that he would send his doctor and servants to look after him, and also promised to return him all his property. Question number 8. What were the hermit's answers to the 3 questions? Write each answer separately. Which answer do you like the most and why? Answer. According to the hermit, the most important time is the present time, because it is the only time which is in our control. The most important person is the person we are with at that particular moment. This is because we do not know whether we would meet anyone in future or not. The most important business is to do good to others, because we have been sent in this world to serve others. Now you will change the paragraph and write, I like the third answer the most, because when we will serve others, we will serve God. We will become good human beings and will make God and ourselves happy. So these were all the answers. I am going to send the picture of these answers along with one exercise and some word meanings also, children. So as I will give you in the picture, similarly copy down everything neatly in your fair copies. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.